In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this cartoon tunnel effect. There's only one mesh in the scene, and that's a scaled cylinder. I'll hide the original mesh, and show you how the mesh was modeled from the beginning. Let's create a cylinder. R, X, and 90, to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. S, and Y, to scale on the Y axis. In edit mode, Ctrl R, to place a loop cut. Let's place 25 loop cuts. Type 3 to face select. The idea is to select random faces and apply an emission shader. Please use EV with bloom turned on. Let's select the end face, and proportionally scale it down like this. Let's select random. Let's select the ratio to 0.15. We need 3 materials. One for the proportionally scaled end cap face, one for 15% faces selected, and one for the rest. The default material can be emission based with 300 or more strength. We'll use this for the end cap mesh. Let's add another emission material for the selected faces, and apply it. I'll turn off bloom to see the colors. Ctrl I to invert the selection. Let's create a third material that is not emission based. Let's apply the brightest material to the proportionally scaled end cap face, and yellow to the starting cap face. Let's activate bloom. Right-click the mesh to shade smooth. The camera's focal length is set to 5 mm. There are only 100 frames. I have moved the camera to the Y axis away from the starting face like this, and set a new keyframe. On the last frame, I have moved the camera close to the end face, and set a new keyframe. The animation looks like this. To avoid seeing too much orange at the end, move the camera right through the end cap face, or decrease the size of the end cap. This was the result of the original mesh animation. As we can see, more random faces were selected on this mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.